My name is Sheng. I lead a product at AIsa. So what's AIsa? At AIsa, our mission is to empower developers to ship faster and with a unified interface that empower them, that enable them to access compute, data, search, and monetization. So we've been live. Our platform has been live since the end of last year. So here's a quick overview of, so we offer our core product as a unified API. So this is a quick overview of our product catalog. So here for inference and compute, our unified APIs supports almost 50 state-of-art large language models from text to image and video, including the latest Q1 2.6, which is a image or text to video, as well as the Q1 3 Max thinking model that the Q1 team released a couple of days ago. Besides model, what we are really proud of is we have built an array of API endpoints for data and context. Here we have Twitter, search, financial data, YouTube, and Scholar. So for the demo I'm going to showcase tonight, we're going to use these four endpoints for search, as well as the Tavali search endpoints. The use case is actually created by an engineer in our community. We do love the creativity in our dev community. So here, what we do here is, this is a scoring agent. We're going to just put a query here. Let's say it's intermittent fasting effective for weight loss. So this could be a controversial topic, right? So you may believe it or not. So you may find different viewpoints from web search, from, let's say, news articles, or sometimes you may find contrarian views from academic resources, right? So let's do a search here. Let's do it. Run the query. Let's go through. Okay, it's churning. While it's churning, just a quick show of how this agent is architected. So here, the same query we just put is actually fed into 4 different search endpoints in parallel. So that includes the scholarly endpoints, the endpoints for generic web search, and a smart search. Smart search is basically a balance or mixture of both web search and scholar search, but with different weighting. As well as in parallel, also we run the query through Tavali search. So what's followed after this parallel queries is that the search IDs are extracted from these search results, and within the 10-minute time window, we run a explain endpoints. So this one, what it does is it run a meta-analysis of all the results from these searches, these 3, the Scholar, Web, and Smart searches, and do a deep diving into the results and explain and reconcile the results. And next, what it does is the engineer actually put together a chain of thoughts with GPT-4o and evaluates the results from these 3 searches against the web search of Tavali. Of course, here you may argue that, well, this logic could be reversed, right? You could do a generic search and Tavali search first, and you evaluate those results and claims against academic papers. But this is really, you have the full feasibility. And let's take a look back into this. Okay, great. This is interesting because I have run this query a couple of times. It always gives me a 100 out of 100 confidence. So here, there's a difference. This is great. So here, let's see what it shows. So this is confidence explanation. Let's see here. This is the retrieve resources here. External just means this is from the web search endpoints. And then these citations are from academic paper search. Then we do, this is web. Okay, so this is smart mixed. So I took back what I just said. So for the very first one, the first few external, these are from the Tavali search. So these are basically the, in this case, this is the searches where the agent evaluates all the reconcile results against. So here there's a great summary, the synthesis of why of all the search and evaluation, and there is explanation in natural language. So if you scroll down, these are the raw the JSON files from the API queries. So this one is fully open source under our GitHub repo. So feel free to play around with it. So you have time, you have your camera out, your phone out, just scan this QR code. This is a short post demo survey. So in this survey, we included all the important links to our platform and to our repo. And most of all, we're very happy to extend. So for any new users, once you sign up, you get a free $5 free credit instantly. That applies to all the users across the board. But for everyone who is present here tonight, we're happy to extend additional $25 in free credit. So that gives you abundance of credit to try out all the different categories of APIs on our platform. So what we ask is just because the coupon code doesn't work too well, so what we ask is you fill this short form, answer 2 questions, and then share your username on the platform with us, and we'll top up your account instantly. So this concludes my demo. And back to the poll I like to run. So let's just see a show of hands here. Who are building AI products that are already monetized and who are thinking about usage-based pricing or pay per use instead of subscription? Great. I'd love to have a chat afterwards. Thank you.